Hi viewers, welcome to my channel and welcome to our 3-day webinar on graphic design. So this 3-day webinar, this is the first day of the 3-day webinar, and then we'll be delving into a lot of things that you need to pay more attention to. You need to stay tuned, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and then you wait till the end of this video, and then you actually learn a lot of these things you'll be learning for free. A lot of people do pay for them to learn, but here we are giving it to you for free. So you just stay tuned, hit that like button, add a comment to the comment section, and then you hit the subscribe button to be alerted anytime subsequent videos are posted. So this webinar would actually be in a 6 to 7 parts. So this is the first part of the webinar for the day. This the first part of the first video for the first day webinar. Actually, there are a lot to learn when it comes to graphic design, and we are just diving into it. And then we actually are focused with how to make a nice quality design using your phone. You can as well use your laptop to do it. It's the same way, but sometimes a lot of people do not have laptops. A lot of people want to use their phone. I personally do have that kind of usually do like to design using my phone. So a lot of people do think design with your phone, the quality is low and all that, but at least the quality is really high sometimes. Let's say the quality is really high, not even sometimes. The quality is based on what you know about graphic design, the ins and out of it and all that. So this flyer for the design you are seeing is being created with a phone. I am actually creating the video on my phone, so it's actually nice, and then the quality is actually good. At least you can make a couple of money with this. So this is the official flyer for the webinar. So in this webinar, you're actually supposed to learn how to mobile design basics, free design apps that you actually need to know, practical demos. You'll be doing some practical demos, and then you'll be learning how to create not only thumbnails but also posters, flyers, which would encompass the birthday flyers, positions, that is flyers for aspirants and all that. Yeah, you'll be learning a lot. And then kindly stay tuned. As I said, hit that like button and then hit the subscribe button. So this is just an intro. The first part of the video is just an intro, and then I'll just actually glance you through some of the things you need to know and some of these apps that are available. Then the subsequent videos, I would go into details to tell you and then to show you how you will really use these apps. So the first app which I am currently on is Canva. Canva actually has a lot of things that you need to know, and then these things cannot be learned in a one day. Actually needs time to learn them. So these are some of the flyers I've created with Canva. I'll show you some of them. This is a video actually created with Canva, and then the quality is really nice. Yeah, it's actually good. So you can
Are you a student?
Listen to it.
Do you want to earn money via graphic design? Look no further. We've got you covered. Join our 3-day Graphic Design Masterclass and start making money with just your phone. No experience needed.
Yeah, and it's
Learn the
just short.
skills.
So this is a video for the graphic design webinar. Yeah, so, and at least you can see that the quality is actually that nice. So you can create a lot with Canva. Yeah, a lot of things you can create with Canva. There are a lot of stuffs that you need to learn. You have a lot of them that I've actually created with my phone. So this one per se I created for a kind of like a medical private kind of diagnostic and then medical services, and then actually they are from Western region. As you can see, actually made some kind of money from it. Yeah, I didn't just create it for free, actually made some money for it. So you can actually use it, your phone, just to make quality, as I said, quality kind of posters, quality kind of flyers and all that stuff, and you can actually make a lot of money from it. So this is a template that I actually opened. I was trying to use it to create this thing, so but I actually didn't use it again. So there is a lot. I'm just showing you an intro into Canva, a lot, so that you know that there are a lot of things. Canva actually has a lot of things to offer. So we are not actually starting the video yet. I just want you to see the Canva I'm talking about. Yeah, sure. This is also a template I was using. Yeah, a lot of things. Canva actually has a package for you. So, and it actually has a lot of things for you. So this is one of the things I created for myself. I actually do it at a low price. My graphic design services, I actually do it for a low price of 25 Ghana cedis, and which I've done for about more than 10 people. Yeah, so you can actually make a lot of money from this. It's as easy as that, to make money from your phone, using your phone to design. And sometimes I personally do it at a low price to actually make a lot of money from it. So this is one of the birthday flyers I've actually done, and I actually did it for myself. So you can as well make a lot of birthday flyers and designs. So one thing about Canva is that you can always enhance everything you create. You can always auto enhance it, auto adjust it, or enhance it here. And then the quality is really that high when you are auto adjusting it or auto enhance it. So it has a lot of features that you can do. So you can create a high quality flyer, a high quality poster, a high quality thumbnail using Canva. Sorry for that. Using Canva, you can create a lot using Canva. Yeah, sure. Okay, so you can create a lot using Canva. So as I said, this is just the first one of the posters I have actually created. Just a flyer for myself. So you can create more of this stuff using Canva. Yeah. So I'll show you other apps, other applications that you can actually use to create and then to make a lot of money from them. So this is the first app, which is Canva. I'm actually not diving into a lot of info about it. I'm actually not showing you a lot of things you need to know. I'm actually not kind of like going into the video. It's just an intro to show you some of the things that you actually would see, so that at least when you see that, you know, this app that I'm actually talking about is one of the nicest of apps. So this is Canva. I'm not diving into Canva. I just want you to know there's an app called Canva that you can use to make. It's one of the free apps. Yeah, and actually it has a pro version that you need to subscribe for, but the pro version of it is optional, so you can actually subscribe. When you subscribe to the pro version, you see that you get a lot more of quality, a lot more of things that are of quality, kind of like a lot more of these posters and a lot of more of these flyers, these templates that are actually of great quality. So when you subscribe to them, you are able to access all these things, and you're able to access all these things for free. But you actually have a little bit of restriction when you are using the Canva without the pro version of it. And the restrictions are, you actually do not get access to the transparent background. So Canva, actually the pro version has a transparent background, so you can see that the quality, when I've adjusted it, you can see that the image is actually a bit brighter than how it was. So Canva, this kind of adjustment and this kind of background remover, transparent background, it's not really in the free version of it. So you need a pro to get all this background and then a lot of stuff from it. So if you need to use Canva, if you actually want to make money, because kind of like subscription for it is not that expensive, but if you need to make quality posters, make quality flyers like some of this, you would actually need to get a subscribed version of it. That's the Canva Pro. So there are a lot other apps. So this is the first part. The second part, I'll be talking about other apps that you actually need to get to make your stunning kind of like quality poster and a flyer, thumbnail, whatever you want to make. So kindly stay tuned and then get to know a lot. So thank you for joining for today's webinar. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and then you get alerted, and then you'd kind of like be alerted when subsequent videos of this kind are being uploaded. Kindly hit that subscribe button, and then thank you for staying patiently till the end. And then we hope you kind of enjoy this webinar, and everything that you learn here will be helpful, and then would guide you to be one of these greatest designers using your phone. Some people actually have businesses that they pay for people to do flyers for them, and when you join this, at least you're able to do your own flyer for your own business. It saves you some kind of money, it saves you something from spending and all those stuff. So thank you for joining today's webinar, and